Good afternoon. My equity, law, and social justice doctoral class. It's Wednesday afternoon, and we had snow this morning. Hopefully, each of you are doing quite well. I wanted to do a video for an update and to connect with you. It's been an interesting time. There is an article in the USA Today regarding Michigan and the affirmative action. And so I'm going to send you that link in a minute. But those of you who have not seen it, make sure you visit the USA Today in the news section. We're in our second week, and so I sent you out the syllabus with the topical outline, with all our discussion prompts and our scheduled meetings. My Skype ID is Dr. CP Gause. That's DrCPGause. I think I sent it out and it was under Dr. G, the professor. However, I actually went back to Skype and they did not change my ID. My email for Skype is Dr. G, the professor. However, DrCP Gause is my Skype ID. So I would like to schedule some time to possibly Skype with you individually to talk about a few things. If you want to meet with me and you can't make it face to face, then of course we can meet via Skype virtually. My office hours are Monday, Tuesdays 1 through 5, and Wednesdays 1 to 3. Campus is always busy and it's hard to find parking. So again, if you want to meet virtually, that's cool with me. There are a couple of other items. Make sure you look at all of the readings and prepare for our virtual classes and face-to-face classes by engaging those readings. Some of the topical outline dates, we have the readings, and then our conversation, and then we have the discussion prompts that you're to do after after our engagement, face to face or virtually. However, there are a few where you are also required to do them prior to our engagement. So make sure you take a look at that and realize when you need to have what's done is done prior to whenever the deadlines are. I'm really excited about this course. I have a lot of thoughts after we met last week. And so hopefully you can work through getting the IRB stuff done with your respective universities. If you can't, really don't worry about it. We'll do a secondary analysis. And I already have a different type of project that I'm interested in you are doing anyway. So, and that project literally is a research project and doing some qualitative research within our group. So in the event we cannot get the IRB stuff done in terms of your own individual sites, make sure you do the CITI training in IRB so I could do one for our class. And we'll be able to utilize the data for that. You do have a midterm, which is a reaction paper, and your final exam is our research products, which will probably be very unique and different. Hopefully we can get some closure in the next week or two regarding whether we are meeting at Elon or Campbell and the dates. If it does not work out, that's okay. Really, it's okay. We can do some other site visits that will be locally around between Greensboro, Elon, and Winston-Salem. So don't worry yourself about that. If those two don't pan out, then we could do some other things. And it probably will end up being something locally on our campus or around our campus. So don't worry if that doesn't pan, but definitely try to get the RB stuff done and get your CITI done. I'm going to put some quotes in the announcement because this video is going to appear in your announcement section. I will link it to the announcements, but I'm going to take some quotes from the critical race theory reader that Delgado and Crenshaw did, and I'll give you the proper citation and where you can find that information. But I think it's timely when we talk about equity, law, social justice, and the issues that we're facing on our campuses in higher education. We had a shooting at Purdue yesterday, and there's just so many things that are happening that I thought it would be good to talk about the notion of research and legalities and legal scholarship from the perspective of our work as higher ed administrators and educators and student affairs and academic affairs professionals. So if you have any questions, don't forget you can contact me via email, cpgause@uncg.edu, and you have my office hours, and I'll look forward to hearing from you, and do cover your readings for the coming week. Thank you. Cheers.